Hi, everybody. Oh, everything's, Hi, everybody. This is Katie Groves, and I wanted to show you guys what is going on with Take Shape for Life. And there's some new tools out here that will benefit you on your journey. One is as you are, as you guys sign in to the Team Groves Take Shape for Life, and you do your shopping. I wanted to show you over here at the right-hand side, Habits of Health Dashboard. That is new. That is a tracking system. So now we can actually track you online. You guys would register. It's free for you. So you would register. It's also going to ask you for your health coach ID. That is right up here. You see Dale's little picture. That is HCID. That number is 843-645-298. And it's going to ask you 4 questions, and you want to go ahead and put that in there. Also, you want to give us permission to see your dashboard so we can actually help track you. On the dashboard has your healthy eating. So your daily snapshot, you can add in the foods that you're eating throughout the day. So you just type it in and it will have foods. It doesn't just have the MetaFast food. As you can see, it has other foods in here too. So you can add that in daily. It'll also it'll show the food, it'll show you your calories, it'll give you your nutrition report telling you how much on your calories, your fat, your saturated fat, all that good stuff, and how you're doing there. It'll also show you your calories in versus calories out on your total exercise. Here's where you are going to add in how many cups of water, 8 ounces of water you are drinking a day. If you are you want to make sure that you're drinking at least 80 ounces of water a day minimum, or you're doing half your body weight in ounces of water. Reason is, 1, you're replenishing your organs, and your biggest organ is your skin. Also, it helps with your metabolism. It speeds up your metabolism. So minimum of 80 ounces a day, and or half your body weight in ounces of water. You also add in your weigh in. If you have just joined us and you're in your first 4 days, so you're going to weigh yourself each day the first 4 days, and you would have that put in there. You put in your weight, the time you weigh, and the date, and you just save it. So, oops, I'm sorry. I didn't put one in. Also, you can log your exercise. So it'll show how long you've been on it, what time you did it, and you can save. It'll keep the history. Also, if you have a Fitbit, I'll show you how to connect to your Fitbit, but that's really cool. Another on your healthy mind is your well-being, how you're feeling today. So if you feel fulfilled, you're not feeling so good, you can put that in, or how well you're feeling successful. I hope everybody's doing well. Your measurements. You can go in and add in your measurements. You can also go back. See that little back arrow right here? We can go back to the day you started and put your original measurements in. You can save a comment, and then you can go in and put your current measurements in. You just click and save every time you do that, and it will show your journal of your measurements. Also, this little section here, Dr. Anderson has not created yet. Your mindfulness, this is a log, a daily log. It has several questions. Once you answer them, takes you a couple of seconds. Then you can also put in a comment if you want to, but how you're doing each day. It also tracks your healthy sleep. So you want to make sure you're getting at least 7 to 7.5 hours of sleep. If you're getting more than that, 8 hours, great. Also, your Fitbit, it tracks with your Fitbit. Then over here to your right side is your graph. That is doing how much you're weighing and a comparison. So each week it will compare your how you're doing there. Also, we have a community. This community is awesome. It has Dr. Anderson's blogs, so you can go out there and blog. Read Dr. Anderson's blogs. This is the most current one he did, which was on the 17th. Talks about raise a glass of water to your health, why it's important, and he tells you why it's important. Also, it has previous blogs that Dr. Anderson has written that you can go out there. You can actually share them. You can Google share, tweet, Pinterest, and Facebook share them. They're awesome. Let me go back to the community, go back to the website. Here where it says apps and devices, this is where you're going to add your Fitbit. So if you have a Fitbit, any one of them, the Zip, the One, the Flex, the Charge HR, the Surge, or the Area, you can just click connect and it will find your Fitbit for you and keep a track there. So your log will keep track of your exercises and your sleeping. To also track on your phone, you can track on your phone if you have an Android. The app, you go to your app store, it is HOH Dashboard, and you can actually download it. It is free for you. So you can do that. Also, if you're an Apple person, you can download this. Here's the app. It's the same HOH Dashboard and the little same icon. You can put that on your tablets and your phones. Awesome. Another way of keeping accountability for yourself is going out here and publicly putting your stuff out there on Facebook and Twitter. It has been a life-changing for Dale and I. We had started doing that back in March. We had started putting our journey out there and telling everybody what we were doing. And you know what? People have been very supportive. So, and rooting us on and loving our stories. So it's okay. It's a good thing to go out there and put that on your Facebook and your Twitter. Another area I want you to look at is the Life You Want page. If you have a Facebook page, and I hope everybody does, this is a closed group. If we have not added you, text Dale or me or call us and we will add you to this group. This is every client and every health coach in the nation, including Canada and Mexico. Everybody is out here. We are supporting one another. There's so much information on the page. Dale has actually given us different resources. So you can, I click on the resource, it'll pop up hopefully, about support calls. Here are support calls that everybody is welcome to listening in on. Here's some RNs and that are that you can talk with or also listen to the archive call. Back into the Facebook. You can also comment on people and people will comment back. People gives great support. If you've got a question and Dale and I are not available, you can throw your question out here. People throw out recipes. They also throw non-scale victories, NSVs. So if they have an NSV, they throw it out here. It is just an awesome tool. So I hope this helps everybody. And I want to wish everybody a wonderful New Year's. And here's to 2016. We are here to help you on your journey and reach your goal for 2016. And these two tools will help you get there. It's just additional support, and we are glad that you guys are our clients, and we're wanting to help you in any way we can. If you need our phone numbers, again, it's 904-463-5094 and 904-463-1977. And here's to getting healthy for life. Take care, guys.